Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. In this video, I am going to start part 2 of comparing quantities. Part 1 of this video, that is for comparing quantities, I have already uploaded. You can check that video from the playlist. In that video, I have given the complete introduction of comparing quantities. This chapter is from class 8. Now in this part, that is part 2, I am going to start with questions. So let's first start with what is ratio and proportion. So if I explain you ratio with an example, from here you can see what is the ratio of green apples to red apples. Now the number of green apple is 3 and the number of red apple is 9. Now how we will find the ratio? We write ratio as 3 into 9. We write 3 or we write a number, then we put 2 dot and then we write another number. Also we can write ratio in fraction 3 upon 9. You can simplify this fraction 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now this 1 by 3 can also be written in ratio, that is 1 is to 3. Now let's understand what is the relation between ratio and percentage. Ratio and percentage. A ratio of a number to 100 is called a percent. Percent means per 100 and is represented by symbol. This is the symbol of percent. And a fraction, if I take a number, this is in fraction 13 by 100. Whenever in fraction the denominator is 100, it is called that this number is in percent. We can write 13 by 100 as 0.13. Also, we can write 13 by 100 as 13%. So whenever there is a symbol or percent, that means it is in fraction where the denominator is 100. For example, in your exam, when you got 93%, that means you have got 93 upon 100. So this is in ratio where the denominator is in 100. Any ratio with 100 as the second number can be expressed in 3 ways. You can write the ratio as a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. Now this is in fraction 25 upon 100. This is in decimal 0.25. This is in percent 25%. Now let's solve few questions that how we can find ratio and how we convert ratio into percent. Find the ratio of following: speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 km per hour. Here we have to convert the question into ratio. How we can write in ratio? Let's see. Speed of cycle into speed of scooter km per hour into 30 km per hour. Now, in both the side, the unit is same. So, we will find ratio between 15 and 30. 15 into 30, or you will simplify it and the ratio we will get as 1:2. This is the ratio. Now let's see B part. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Now here you see the units are different. First we have to make unit in same. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 5 meter into 10 into 1000 meter. Now we will simplify the value. After simplifying, we get ratio 1:2000. This is the ratio of this value. Now moving to next question. In C part also, we have to make the unit in same. T पैसे into 5 rupees. For 5 rupees, what we will do to convert into paise? We will multiply with 100. 5 into 100 paise. So this will become 50 paise into 500 paise. So the ratio we will get as 1:10. So like this, we will find the ratio. Let's move to next question. In next question, you have to convert ratio into percentage. Now let's see. Convert the following ratios to percentage. A, this is 3:4. 3:4 can also be written as in fraction 3/4. If I multiply the fraction with 100, we will find the percentage. Let's simplify this. 2, 5, that is 25. 3 into 25 is 75. So 75 is the percentage of 3:4. 2 into 2 into 3. We write it in fraction and then multiply with 100. 200 by 3. Now we will convert this value into mixed fraction. Divide 200 by 3. 3 6 18, 20, again by 6, 18, 2. So in mixed fraction we will write this as 66, 2 by 3. 66, 2 by 3 in percentage. So this is the value of 2 is to 3. Now we will solve few words problem related to ratio and percentage. Let's move. 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? Now, among 25 students, 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. Now, we will find the number of students, those who are good in mathematics. Now, what we will do, we will find 72%. We will find 72% of 25 students. So let's solve it. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 0. Again, it will go with 5, 4. Now, 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 18. So, 18 students are good in mathematics. Now, how we will find the number of students, those who are not good in mathematics? We will subtract the value 25 minus 18. These are the number of students are not good in mathematics. Twenty-five, 7. So 7 students are not good in mathematics. Let's move to next question. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So here we have to find the number of matches they have played. So 40 matches the team won. Out of 100 upon 40 into 10. That is 25 matches. Hence, the total number of matches played by the team is 25. 25 matches they play in all. They have won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. So this percentage has been given that 40% of total match they have won. So what I have done, I have taken 100 upon 40 into 10. So by which I have got 25 number of matches. That means the total number of matches played by the team is equal to 25. Let's move to next question. If Chameli has rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So here we have to find that how much money she was having before spending 600 rupees. So let the money with Chameli rupees 100. Money spent by her is equal to 75% of 100. That is 75% into 100. So we will get rupees 75. Now the money left with her, that is Now what we have assumed that she is having 100 rupees in total. Now 75% of 100 she has spent. So that means 75 rupees she has spent from 100 rupees. Now what is the amount of money she is having with her out of rupees 100? That is 100 minus 75. That is 25 rupees. So this is 25 rupees. Here we have assumed that she is having 100 rupees. So after spending 75 rupees, she is having 25 rupees. Now what we will do? Let's see. We will solve next by unitary method, that for 1 rupees is left with her out of rupees 100 by 25. Now in unitary method, what we do? We find the value for 1. Now what we will do next? We will multiply both the side with 6. Like here the value is given 600. So if I explain you unitary method, suppose a small example I am taking over here. Suppose you have 4 chocolates and the price of 4 chocolate is 10 rupees. Now if I ask you what will be the price of 12 chocolate, so first I will convert the value for 1 chocolate. I will find the cost of 1 chocolate. That means for 1 chocolate I will divide 10 by 4 rupees. Now for 12 chocolate, how we will solve? We will multiply 12 with both the side. 12 into 10 by 4 rupees 30. So for 12 chocolate, the price will be 30. Like this, we solve unitary method, and here also we are going to apply unitary method. For 1 rupees, we have find the value. Now for 600 rupees, we will find. What we will do? We will multiply 600 with both the sides. In similar way as we have did with this example, the same way we will solve for this question. This is called as unitary method. So for rupees 600 will be left out of. So for 1 rupees we have find the value. Now for 600 what we will do, we will multiply with 600 with 1 also and with this fraction also. That is 100 upon 25 into 600. That is rupees 2,400. So hence she has rupees 2,400 in beginning. Okay, like this we will find the value. Let's move to next question. So let's see what is the next question. If 60% of people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. So here the total number is given, that is 50 lakh. So total number of people is equal to 50 lakh the number of people who like cricket. So the percent of people is given, that is 60%. So 60% can be written as 60 upon 100 into the total number of people. So this is the number of people who like cricket. Now in same way, we will find the number of people who like football. That is 30%. So 30 upon 100 into so what will be the value? Fifteen lakh. 15 lakh. Now for other for number of people who like other games. So what we will do, we will add the value 30 lakh plus 15 lakh and then subtract the number from 50 lakh. So for finding what we will do, number of people who like other games So from total number of people, that is 50 lakh, I will subtract the value, the number of people for cricket who like cricket and the number of people who like football. I will add the value and subtract it from total number of people. So 15 lakh minus 45 lakh. So 5 lakh is the number of people who like other game. Now here we have to find the percentage of people who like other game. So for that, what I will do, finding the percentage of people who like other game. So 5 lakh upon 50 lakh into 100. For finding the person, we multiply with fraction with 100. So 0, 0 will get cut. So we will get 10%. The 2 0 I have cut over here. Now this and this. Now this 1 0 is remaining over here. Okay, again you see 2 0 I have cut here. Then this 0, then this 0, and then this 0, and then this 0. Now 5 will get cut, and 10 is the percentage of people who like other games. So by this we can find the percentage. So here in this video you have learned that how we find ratio, how we can convert ratio into percentage, and few question of words problem that was based on ratio and percentage. Hope you have understood what I have taught in this video. This is a small ad from my side, High Sky Online Mathematics Classes. If you want to join online classes, you can contact me in this number. This is my email address. For now, I am signing off. More video of this chapter I will upload soon. If you like my channel, you can subscribe. High Sky Online Mathematics classes. Subscribe my channel for following more videos. Hope you like the video. Thank you for now.